Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Today we, Sarthak Sarkar and Bobby Tom Matthew present to you Study Mate. Our application will help class students science to get through this COVID-19 situation. So action! It's that simple, and after you log in, you're greeted to our home page, and which consists all of the subjects name on the left side: maths, physics, chemistry, computer science, biology, and English. And each of these subjects consists textbook, question and answers, MCQ, and a YouTube help icon, which you can press to view the required content. So let's view some textbooks, shall we? For maths, if we click on the textbook tab, the two textbooks, NCERT Part 1 and Part 2, are shown here. And as soon as I click on Part 1, it loads. That easy, no data stored. And you can zoom in and out and the clarity remains the same. Now let's see the question and answers. Let's say for chemistry, if I click on that, large list of chapters are shown here. If I click on the first one, takes you to the site of Learn CBSE. No need to go to different types of browsers and log in from there. Everything is provided on the spot in your hand. Now let's go for MCQs for physics maybe. And I almost forgot. You see there are so many chapters and the buttons are having wonderful colors. These colors keep on changing. As you can see, this time the color are different than what was the previous one. If I click again, it takes me to a web view where I can again view the Learn CBSE site with the MCQ answers right there. All of the features are same for each and every subject. Wait, I'm missing one. YouTube help. Let me show you for computer science, let's say. I go to Python and a YouTube video pops up as it should in web view. And I can unmute it if I want. And I can view it in landscape mode to make it a bigger screen. And all of these features I have covered all. Wait, I'm missing one. The news. The latest news are shown up here, just like CBSE cancelled 30 or reduced 30% of the portion. It takes you to India Today site where you can view what portion was deducted. We are class 12 students and we need to practice more past year papers. Say no more. Past year paper contains past 3 years paper for all the subjects. Now I am viewing it for maths year 2018, and all the years the same site will be open and you can scroll in and out, and the app is very responsive and there is no lag, no jitters, and it loads just in seconds. As you can see, I was just zooming in, I zoom out, it's so responsive, guys. Now, being a class 12 child, I know next year I have to select a stream, medical or engineering. And there, these YouTube guys are here to help us with few top viewed videos on career guidance posted here. And again, you can change the orientation to landscape to view the app in full screen. Now, as soon as you press on the refresh data tab and go back to career guidance or past year paper, it refreshes automatically. Now the final version of the app will contain some ads, but which is scrollable and it won't interrupt while viewing textbooks or anything like that. As you can see, it's scrollable, and if you click on the blue circular icon, it takes you to About Us page where the creators of this app are mentioned. To view the licenses and attributes, click on the licenses tab, and as soon as you download our app, you are agreeing to our privacy policies. Now, if you would like to send a feedback to our app, you can just click on the send feedback button and it will open your default email app where you can give your feedback. We would love to hear what you have to say about our app, and if you want to provide any content, you can provide this via the email. Thank you for going through our app tour. Our app will be available on the Google Play Store